Hi, this is the Seller Guru, and these are the features of the Seller user. So here we see the inventory. We can see the items that we have that we are selling. We can change the quantity of these values by this and click Update. And then so we can also create another listing. But here we select a product, such as this craft kit. We set a price, initial amount, say 10, and create listing. Now we can also update the quantity again here. Now we can also see our order fulfillment page here. We can see our total orders, and we see all these orders sorted by date decreasing. And we can fulfill orders by clicking fulfill, and we have information such as the item and the buyer information. We can fulfill that, and that will be marked there. Lastly, we can see our buyer analytics here. We see our top buyers and our recent customer activity.
Cart functionality, and so I'm already signed in to Leonard's account, but we're gonna add a premium keyboard. We're gonna add it to our cart. If we go to our cart, we can change the amount if we want to, or I'm just gonna keep it at 1. We could save it for later if we didn't want to buy it right now. And when we proceed to checkout, we can see that there's a place to enter a coupon code. So we've added free ship as one of the coupon codes, and you can see that this will apply discount. And so we can see our current balance is $523.20, and it's decrementing our total, and we should have a new balance of $305.22 after we've placed the order. And if we go to our balance, we see that we do indeed have $305.22.
As you can see on the main page, we have all of our products here, and it's paginated. And then you can also search, and also you can filter by category, by minimum rating. You can filter the price, and you can also sort by all these different things. For example, I'll sort by review count. And as you can see, it's sorted by the number of reviews. And then if you click in, it becomes the product details page. It has the image, description, price, and it has all the different sellers that you can buy this from. One other feature is that you can create a product if you're authenticated, and I filled this out already, but you can see the product shows up here, and no sellers have a listing for it, but if you're a seller, you can put up a listing for it.
On the home page, you could go to My Reviews to see all of your reviews sorted in reverse chronological order. So your most recent review is at the top. If you go back to the home page, you can also review a product. So you can view all the reviews, and it will show for a product the average review and the number of reviews, and you're able to rate it. And as you can see, that shows up right here. You're also able to review sellers, as you can see. However, if you have not bought from the seller before, say for example this person, it won't let you review the seller. You're also able to edit your reviews from before, so you can edit this here. And you can also delete it if you'd like also. And this prevents duplicate reviews. So when you're at the home page, you can also sort by rating if you wanted to see maybe the highest things first. And then there you go, you have all of your highest rated things. If you go to My Orders, you can see all of the orders that have happened in the past, and they're sorted in reverse chronological order. You're also able to view the details within each order to see what product that you were buying and how much the total was. Within your My Purchase history, you're also able to see a summary of all of your orders. So that's a total of 6 orders, 3 are fulfilled, 3 are pending, and then you have a total spent. You're also able to add a balance. So if you go to the balance page, you can press Add Funds and then add however much you'd like. Now you have more funds, and then you're able to fulfill, or you're able to purchase more products.